In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a single Sellfy product on your website. We're going to take a product from your Sellfy store and place it directly on your website using Sellfy's built-in Embed tools. This is quick, reliable, and requires no advanced coding, just copying and pasting a small snippet. Start by opening your Sellfy dashboard. From there, head to Store Settings and then open Embed Options. This is where Sellfy generates the code you'll place on your site to display products or your storefront. Next, under Embed Type, choose Single Product. This option embeds just one product rather than an entire store, which is perfect if you want to highlight a specific item on a landing page or blog post. From the drop-down that appears, pick the product you want to feature. If you don't see it, double-check that the product is created and published in your store. Now scroll down to the code area. You'll see an iframe code snippet along with a small script tag. The iframe is what displays the product widget on your site, and the script powers the interactive buttons. The URL will include your store and product identifiers automatically, so there's nothing sensitive you need to type in. Go ahead and copy the entire HTML snippet. With the code copied, it's time to paste it into your website. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, add a custom HTML block and paste the code there. In site builders such as Squarespace or Wix, look for an embed or HTML block and paste the snippet inside. For a custom-coded site, insert it into the page's HTML where you want the product to appear, typically within the body content. Keep the script line together with the iframe. If you're embedding more than one product on the same page, that script usually only needs to be included once. You can adjust the width and height values in the iframe to fit your layout. Leaving width at 100% helps it stay responsive on mobile, and tweaking the height gives you more or less space for the widget. The border style can also be set to none for a cleaner look. After pasting, save or publish your page and preview it. If the product doesn't appear, make sure your site allows iframes and scripts and that you're viewing the live page over HTTPS. Clear your cache and refresh if needed. That's it. You went to Store Settings, opened Embed Options, selected Single Product, chose your item, copied the code, and pasted it into your site. Publish your changes, and your product is ready for visitors to see and buy.